All right, this is the final YouTube video demo for Group 3 Affinity App. So to start off, I'll demo by showing how the create account works. So here, I'll enter the email that I want to use, and then I'll enter a password. I'll just use Vincent. You can see it needs at least 6 characters as a constraint, and then I'll create that account, and then it'll log me in, and it'll take me to this home page. So on the home page, you have 4 different data types. As you can see right now, they are all running. These are being pulled from Firestore. If you click in one of here, the graph does not work for this one in particular, but we do have a blood pressure dropdown, which if you go to RPM data, we have the graph right here, and we have the table. And if you were to choose a different session, it'll actually update the graph dynamically, and it'll update the table as well. So this works for each of them. And then if I were to go to live session as well, it will actually show this dot, and it'll show in the table, it'll update live. So this is actually running live and working with Firestore. So you can see the little dot is moving. There's no line that follows the trend of the previous dots, but we were able to get live data into our app. And this does work for other sessions as well. So if I go to flow rate, this is generating different values, but live. So the live data works, the dynamic graphs work, and the tables, and this cool little drop down. So now moving on, we'll go to our export data. Here we can see the different data that we have. This data works directly with Firestore. So this is all in Firestore, and it's being pulled into this page. If we select a different session number, you can see that the data, all the data in this page will change. So it changes every time, and this is not hard-coded. This is all stored in the database. And if we'd like to export this data, we have 2 options. We can generate a PDF. So if I save this, I can save this and send this to Tim's Gmail, and that will send to Tim's email. I can also generate a CSV, and I'll send this one to myself. So I'll just send this to vincentmillar@gmail.com. I'll just say CSV, and then I'll send that. And now, if I go to my email, it'll show that our CSV file is ready. So now here, I've just got an email from Timothy Alec saying my CSV file is ready. And if I click on this, you can see this CSV file, and you could open this with Excel or Google Sheets or whatever you need to view the file. So now going back, we've just demonstrated the generate PDF and the generate CSV. And keep in mind that this is getting the actual data based on the previous page, not the dummy data, which is the issue that we had before. And then now moving on to our profile page, we have this profile page where a user would be able to ideally click and add a picture. Right now, the way it's set up, access is constantly denied, but you would be able to click this and then add a profile picture. You then can go to your Heart ID, and there's a cool little logo with your Heart ID number, the firmware version, and then the app version. And then if we go to log out, we can go to our forgot password page, and then if I enter my email and we go to reset password, it'll give a little notification that a reset email was sent. And then if I go back to my email, it's right here, reset your password for Affinity App. And then I can go here, and then new password, I'll just say Vincent 1, 2, and then I'll save that. So now I can sign in with my new password. And then if I go back here and I go vincentmillar@gmail.com, and we do Vincent 1, 2. Now when I log in, it'll bring me back to where we started. And that is our demo. Thank you so much.